Alright, let's talk about the trolley problem. But make it 2025 and on four wheels. You're cruising in an autonomous car. A kid runs into the road. Swerving risks your passenger. Staying the course risks the kid. Classic ethics class, right? Except now it's code. It's policy. It's real. Here's the twist. The right answer isn't just philosophy. It's data design defaults. First, who gets to choose the value system? Engineers? Lawmakers? You? If a car is programmed to minimize total harm, that sounds clean, until you're the one inside and the math says you're the sacrifice. Second, do we really want personal ethics settings? Imagine a slider. Protect occupants, protect pedestrians. Sounds empowering, but think about perverse incentives. Would you buy the car that's honest about protecting everyone? If your neighbor's car quietly prioritizes them? Third, context matters. The car doesn't see 5 lives versus 1. It sees probability uncertainty sensor noise. Modern systems try to avoid the dilemma entirely. Slower speeds, wider margins, better prediction. The best ethics is not needing a heroic choice every 5 seconds. But crashes still happen. So transparency matters. If a company says, we minimize expected harm, show the math, show the audit, show the data used to train edge cases, kids' wheelchairs, night rain, and yes, address bias. If the model sees some bodies less reliably than others, that's not a bug, that's a civil rights failure. Liability? If the car makes the call, who pays? The one who profits should carry the risk. Regulation? We need bright lines. No secret aggressive defensive driving modes. Mandatory incident logs. Independent red team testing, not just company demos. And a common language for risk. Speed, safety, comfort. Here's a reframe trolley problem. Not who should the car hit, but what systemic choices make trolley moments rare, legible, and fairly distributed. Design for avoidance first. Make ethics a public standard. Audit for bias continuously. Tie liability to control. Give users clear defaults and honest disclosures. One more thing. Opting out isn't neutral. Human drivers already make bad split-second choices with hidden biases. If autonomous systems, on average, reduce harm, the ethical move might be adopting them, with guardrails. Faster, not slower. So next time you hear trolley problem, think less about superheroes and more about infrastructure. Speed limits, geofencing, night mode, caution, shared datasets for rare events. The goal isn't perfect choices in impossible moments. It's fewer impossible moments. Hit me with your take. Should you be allowed to pick your car's ethics, or should that be a public rule? Let's make this future make sense before it makes decisions for us.